Will Bitcoin reach $1 million? Absolutely not. In this video, I'm gonna tell you why it won't do that in this market cycle. So let's get to it. Welcome back to another video, guys. It's your boy Hima, and like I told you, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin, and I'm gonna give you a proper technical analysis where there's no FOMO as to why I don't think Bitcoin will hit $1 million anytime soon. Of course, in the long run, Bitcoin is really bullish, but in the short term, I'll tell you what's gonna happen and why you should stay away from the markets right now. So without further ado, let's jump into the charts. Alrighty guys, so we are looking at the charts, and I actually draw a couple of sketches. So here's the thing, I'm gonna give you a couple of possibilities as to where Bitcoin might go. Alright, and of course this is really important because Bitcoin determines pretty much the entire crypto markets movement. If Bitcoin is going down, chances are all these other coins, including your favorite meme coins, will come down crashing. Alright, so the first thing that I want to show you guys is this bad boy right over here. This is a head and shoulders pattern, and I talked about this in the Dogecoin video. It's over here somewhere. Go check it out. So a head and shoulders pattern is a bearish indicator. If you see a head and shoulders pattern in a bullish market, that means it's gonna crash. Look what happened. Charts don't lie, guys. This is why you need to look at charts. Alright, so, and like I told you, in every head and shoulders patterns, right, you got shoulders, head and shoulders, and there's the thing called the neckline. Right, so, and the neckline was over here, which at $49,000, let's say $50,000, and we recently, of course, like 2 weeks ago, it broke the neckline and came to 30k. All right, and now we are over here, we are accumulating, and accumulating is a word that you'll hear a lot in in crypto videos and in stocks videos. Basically what that means is a stock is going sideways, buyers and sellers aren't sure what to do, so the pressure, buying and selling pressures are equalized, and the market is pretty much indecisive. It's waiting for a major move, either upward or downward. All right, so that's what accumulating is basically, in layman's terms, if a stock is staying at one place for a long period of time, it's called going sideways or it's accumulating. Hope I was clear. Now, in the short term, two things could happen. The most plausible thing is some news will come and Bitcoin will come to 48,000 to 50 to 52,000 levels over here, of course, near this neckline, and then reverse back to $20,000. And $20,000 was the previous high from the previous market cycle, and we know previous highs become later support. All right, previous highs become later support. All right, so that's option number one. And of course, there's another possibility. This might go to the moon. It's breaking above everything against all odds and just taking to the moon. That could happen, but I don't think that's possible. I think that, to me, that's highly speculative, highly mumbo jumbo, rainbow unicorns and shit. So that's fairy stuff. If it happens, it's good because I hold Bitcoin. All right, and the other plausible scenario is this might not go up, it might come down. Now, the reason why I'm telling you that this might go up is, if we zoom into 2017, do you guys remember this? It was the worst time for most people because they got in late, and we came down to $11,000, went up 54,000 before coming down. So this is basically your Wyckoff's theory, or you could say, the Wall Street cheat sheet. This is how it panned out in the previous bull cycle. So I think that's why it will happen the same, but I don't think we will see a bottom like this, like these kind of low levels like 6,000 or anything. I think the bottom will be at the $20,000 mark. If it goes below that, then that's actually that would be crazy. But of course, I'm buying in at $20,000. Me jumping in, I'm at least putting $5,000 in to Bitcoin if it comes to $20,000. All right, and of course, if you want to make some money out of it, like a short-term trade, you could get in right now and sell it over here. Remember previously I showed you the 2017, it crashed and came up. It was 54%. And I'm saying that this might, if it's to go up, it will come to 54, it will increase in 54%. Because that's where our neckline is, which is the $52,000, $48,000 or $52,000 mark. So that's the most plausible scenario for Bitcoin. And that's why I think you should stay away from these markets, and especially don't get in if it comes to 52,000. Do not do that. But if you want to make some short money, because 54%, if you put $10,000, that's almost $5,000. So you walk away with $15,000. It's a really good trade. So you can do that. And there are people who actually got in right now to exit over here. You can do that. I'm not doing it. But of course, this is not financial advice. Use this video for education and as your reference. Right? I want you to understand how markets work. Alright? Get familiar with these bar charts and the support and resistance level. These concepts, these chart patterns like head and shoulders, because you will see this everywhere. All right, so I hope I made things clear for you guys. All right, so that's it for today's video. I want to make it short and simple and sweet. Hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And of course, if you learned something, hit the subscribe button and the like button and the bell notification. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, happy trading.